How to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to recover my eyes only deleted pictures on a Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you have to launch a Snapchat app on a device. On the main interface, we have to tap profile icon at top left corner of the screen. Now access settings by tapping your icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you have to scroll down and you have to find support and feedback section. Tap help center and you have to scroll down and select contact us from this help center section. Simply tap the button. Now choose the option that says I need help with a Snapchat feature. Scroll down again and select memories option. Now tap yes and after that you need to select using my eyes only. Here you have to enter your username, email and simply describe your issue. And after that you need to tap submit button and then you need to wait for a response. Snapchat will simply review your request and process it in a few days. This is the method you can use to recover deleted my eyes only snaps. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.